would you like to trade in your old home for a brand new luxury model by Toll Brothers? Check out Doylestown Walk, a new CARRIAGE-STYLE townhome community where you can enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle. This private location is just minutes from world-class dining, recreation, and shopping in Doylestown. And let's not forget, convenient to major commuter routes, including Route 202, and just an 8-minute drive to the train station that takes you right into Philadelphia. You will absolutely love some of Toll Brothers' brand new designs, including a first floor primary bedroom suite and an elevator option. These carriage-style townhomes range in size from 2,200 square feet to over 2,900 square feet and are situated in the award-winning Central Bucks School District. Lawn care and snow removal is provided. I will help you sell your old home and find your dream home in Doylestown Walk. I'm Dawn D'Amico. If you're searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, call me today or click the link below to connect.